So what's the effect of a TODI upon the owner's life, during the owner's life? Well, first and foremost, it does not affect her ownership interest. She is still the owner of this property. It doesn't affect a mortgage. It doesn't affect a lien holder. She is conveying this property, this beneficial interest in the property, to the beneficiaries subject to anything else on the property, a mortgage, a lien, taxes, etc. It also theoretically doesn't affect the right of a creditor, secured or unsecured. That's a little bit different. I'll get into that in just a minute. Even if the creditor has notice of the instrument, which means that they should go ahead and try to enforce their lien if they have it. It doesn't affect anything involved in the beneficiary either. It does not affect the beneficiary's eligibility for public assistance because this is a beneficial interest only. Again, if we had taken this property and done a joint tenancy deed where we deeded the house from mom to son, that would affect son's ability to, say, get Medicaid if he has a disability, or supplemental security income, etc. A TODI does not affect any of that because it's a beneficial interest only. It doesn't create any sort of legal or equitable interest in favor of the beneficiary, which means it's not subject to creditors of the beneficiary until that beneficiary accepts the property after the death of the homeowner. So if somebody is suing a beneficiary and they do a title search and they discover the TODI that has their name on it as a beneficiary, that has no effect at all upon the title to the property at that moment. Now, once mom dies and son takes the property and accepts the TODI and accepts the ownership interest of the property, then the creditor may be able to go after it, but not during the life of the owner. It's also important to remember that the owner can do anything with the property that she chooses while she still has the capacity. She can sell it. She can do a TODI today and sell the property tomorrow if she wants. Again, I recommend that they record a revocation of the TODI before they record the deed, but that's her choice. She can mortgage it. She can rent it out. She can do whatever she can continue to live there. She can take the tax benefits of being a senior homeowner. It does not affect her ownership interest at all.